this is. I know.
Show me.
I know. Yes, I put it out. Come dear little dog. Hi everyone. Today I got Hachimals.
You got Hachimals.
My name is Amaria Nisha H. I'm going to show you my Hachimals.
Hachimals. Show it to them. So Amaria is going to unbox this Hachimals collectibles.
I'm so excited!
Okay, open it now. Okay, let me help you.
Okay.
There you go. Open it. From there. Alright. Wow! What do you find there?
We got a nest.
A nest, right. It's a blue nest. And what else?
Eggs.
Eggs. What color are your eggs?
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue eggs. Let's remove it.
It's on the nest.
There you go.
I want to try the blue nest.
Okay, the blue nest. You put your Hachimals. So this is Hachimals collectibles. Hatch and Splash.
It comes with a instruction manual.
Instruction manual.
It got on the nest.
Whoa. That's Mommy Ayam and Himig. They also have a Hachimal like yours. Oh, what's that? Show it to me.
It's
It's
a bird.
a bird.
Mama, what can you show me what is it?
It's so cute. So this is what Amaria got on her first Hachimal egg. Aw, so cute, love. Next.
That's why this is a little bit hard.
A little bit hard.
I know.
What's inside the blue egg?
I need to get some more Hachimal eggs.
Yeah, that's your second Hachimal egg. Let's see what's inside. It's another pink one. Is it? Wow! This is the second bird that Amaria got. So cute.
Nana got the tail in it. Color changes when you put it in water.
Really? What's yours? Show it to Ate Himig.
And I got the limited edition owl.
Limited edition.
You got the tail also.
What did you get?
You got the tail also. She got the tail also.
She got the tail also. Yeah, we got Hachimals.
You can
Cute.
play. Stay on our nest and rest.
And rest?
Rest, little owl. Rest. They're falling. They're sleeping in there.
Now they're sleeping.
And my friend Disha's here. This one is so cute. The tail doesn't scare me even.
It doesn't
It's
stand.
glittery.
It's-
It's glittery.
It's glittery. Why did you smell it? It smells good. Really?
It smells good also mine. It smells good too.
Really?
It's we got the same. We got the match. My little friend wants to meet your mermaid friend.
Hi.
Hello. Come on, Stan. Let's go back home.
Go back home.
I got the owl also. I forgot the name already.
It's a cheer deer.
Yung amin nga, we haven't checked yet. What's the name of your Hachimal?
Cheer tree pala.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Don't forget forgot what's your favorite Hachimal.
Don't forget your favorite Hachimal.
Oh, I forgot.
Kapit ng mga Barbie, ako yung naaliw.
Subscribe for a little angel.
Subscribe for a little angel.